how to turn on the developer mode and how to turn off the developer mode in any kind of Android smartphone. It is too much easy to turn on the developer mode, and it is too much easy to disable the developer mode. So for example, just go to in the settings. Okay, so after going in the settings, now you will get this window. So now you can see here there is no the developer option. Okay, so I'll just click in the about device. Okay, then after that just you have to click in the software info, and from here you have to tap in the build number almost 7 times. Okay, so after this, now you can see here your developer mode is enabled. So now you can see here there is a developer option, right? So now you can see here you can turn on this one, or you can turn on the USB debugging also. There are different kind of features. If you want to learn about this one, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll make a separate video. So my developer option has been enabled. So how to disable this one? The You can turn off the developer option from here also, but now you can see here after turning off the developer option, still there is the developer option, right? So for this one, just go to in the uh, application. Okay, and after the application, just click in the application manager. So just you have to go in the all. Okay, so I'm just using this one, and go to in the settings. So now I can see here there are lots things available. So I think I should to go in the settings. Okay, so from the settings, just tap there, and you have to clear the cache, and you have to clear the data also, and just click in the clear. So if I went inside the settings, uh, maybe the developer option, now you can see here above the about device it was the developer option, but in this time there is no developer option. So using this trick you can turn off your developer option, or you can disable your developer option, and you can turn on your developer option also. Hoping that you get few ideas. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.